There's a range of different ways that we monitor emissions at Eraring Power Station. We can use continuous emissions monitoring instrumentation. We can also do in situ monitoring at our boilers, and for water monitoring we can also use a range of grab sample methods and in situ as well for things like temperature. So we have monitoring equipment for air primarily around the station itself, but we also have ambient air monitoring sites out in the community to tell us what's going on wider scale. We have groundwater and water monitors out around the site as well. So generally that will be someone coming around on a monthly basis taking samples. For our cooling water we also have temperature monitoring, which again is a continuous instrumentation. For air emissions we have nitrogen oxides, sulphur dioxide and particulates probably being the primary things that we monitor. And we also monitor for the National Greenhouse and Energy Reporting Scheme, so that's your carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases.
So some of the things we have on this site to help reduce our emissions, very fortunate we have baghouse filters installed. So they filter out 99.9% of our particulates. So you'll notice that there's no visible plume coming out of our stack, and that's a very good outcome. We also have low NOx burners filtered, so if you've heard about oxides of nitrogen, our low NOx burners minimise that emissions. We also have very strict licence limits, which we monitor and measure on a daily or ongoing basis, and we obviously adhere to those limits and make sure we're operating responsibly.
Generally over the years things have tightened. We work hard to meet community expectation, and so for that reason we also do that extra due diligence monitoring on top of what the regulatory requirements are as well. As a member of the local community here in Lake Macquarie, I take it very seriously that we need to do everything we can here at Eraring Power Station to manage our environmental impact, and I enjoy the local environment, I enjoy using the lake, and so for that reason I want to make sure that we're doing our very best.